Normally you see brittle with peanuts, but I'm going a little nuts today and a little bit fancy with cashews, pistachios, and almonds. It's just sugar melting into water, but caramelization is so exciting. Look at this, thick and caramelized. I believe you're ready for nuts. Nuts, meet caramel. That is decadent. Must be Christmas. This is gonna get sticky. And here's my quick trick to make sure your parchment paper stays where it is. Little vegetable oil. I gotta spread this gently but quickly before it starts to harden. Oh, this is sticky. Liquid to solid. It's like Christmas magic. Say it with me. Everything is better with chocolate. Now let's spread some Christmas cheer. This has had time to set. And now it's the fun part. A Christmas gift for you. And a Christmas gift for me. Just kidding. I'm a good girl this Christmas, so I'm gonna package these up for friends. Everyone loves gifts like these, and the best thing is you can make them in advance. I guess these are for me. What's not to love? It's caramelized, it's nutty, it's chocolatey. That is something else.